This is CCEA A2 Pure Maths. We're looking at integration and just looking at some past paper questions. This is a past paper question then from C4 June 2012, and this is question 2. So first of all, sketch the graph of y equals 4 minus x squared, clearly and surely where it crosses the x-axis. So we would know that this graph crosses the x-axis whenever we put y equal to 0. So if we put y equal to 0, we get 4 minus x squared is 0. We can solve this a couple of different ways. You can take the x squared over, but I'm going to factorize it. So it's 2 minus x upon 2 plus x equals 0. That gives me x is 2, or x is minus 2. So that's where it crosses the x-axis. You want to work out where it crosses the y-axis. You put x equal to 0. So it'll be y then equals 4. And we also know that it's going to be an n shape. I hope that makes sense, because it's a 4, it's a minus x squared term. So a quick sketch of that. I don't seem to have a ruler around. Excuse the crudity of this as we are lying in. So that would be 0, that would be 2, that would be minus 2. That would be 4, that would be my key points there, and so my graph then is going to look a bit like that. A paperweight can be modelled as a solid formed when the area bounded by the curve, the x-axis and the y-axis is rotated through 360 degrees about the x-axis. Find the volume of the paperweight. So notice what they're saying there between the x-axis, the y-axis. So it's actually this bit here. There's your y-axis, there's your x-axis, and it's this bit that's been rotated around the kind of 360 degrees. We don't need the whole thing. So whenever we integrate, we're integrating in between 2 and 0. So let's set that up. Volume equals the integral between 2 and 0 upon pi 4 minus x squared all squared dx. Volume equals pi upon, and again I'm going to multiply this out, so it's going to be 16 minus 8 x squared plus x to the power 4 dx. Integrating that, 16 goes to 16x, add 1 to the power gives me 3, divide the new power, so it's 8 over 3 x cubed plus x to the 5 over 5, and that then is between 2 and 0. So my volume is pi upon 32, 2 times the 16, 2 cubed here gives me 8, times 8 is 64, so it's 64 over 3. 2 to the power of 5 is 32, so 32 over 5. And then that's minus obviously 0, because whenever you substitute the 0 in, that all just disappears. If you put that in your calculator or whatever way you want to work it out, you get 17 and 1/15. So 17 and 1/15 pi.